Raw Customs mobile install. Today we're going to be installing a decal. I'm going to show you guys how this is done. That way when you buy one of my decals, you know exactly how everything works. So here's a decal. We're going to be putting it right up here. The first step is you're going to need to peel these two pieces apart. The top part is partially clear. You want to make sure all the sticker stays on that piece. The blue is going to be thrown away. As you can see, the letters aren't coming off, so you have to go back and kind of press it on. And if you need to, if you got some kind of an X-Acto knife or a razor blade, just kind of get underneath it just a little bit. Once you break it loose from the blue, it comes off. You just go real slow and pull more of an angle and not straight up. That way it's pulling it off. Just kind of work your way around. There we go. Just make sure everything stays on. Go nice and slow. If you happen to have a crease like that, you can fix it before you get too far along. Just kind of flatten it out. Once you got it off, that blue piece is gone. Now everything that's on the back side here is all sticky, so just try to only put your fingers on what is not considered the actual sticker. This is just a top coat. So you'll want to get some kind of a squeegee or a credit card, debit card, something like that. So before you do any of this, you want to make sure you've lined up where you want everything. Maybe use some masking tape to make a square. But I already know where this one's going, so I'm going to start at the top. Just get it set, but don't let the bottom touch. Kind of hold it up. Use your hand first, get everything smoothed down. If you get a wrinkle in the paper, that's okay. You don't want wrinkles in the actual decal part. Now I'm going to take my squeegee, which like I said, you can use a debit card or a credit card, and go down slow. Don't just do it one sweep. Go nice and slow and check it. Make sure there's no creases. Once you get it on there, just kind of take your debit card, credit card, or squeegee and just kind of rub it. Not too hard, you don't want to cut through it and damage your sticker. And then you're going to take, doesn't matter which corner you start at, but grab a corner and you're going to kind of keep it flat on the glass and just kind of pull it backwards. Nice and slow. And there you have it. Everything should be nice and flat and smooth. You may have air bubbles here and there. Let the sun take care of them. They'll press them out. They'll go away. It's not too bad. As you can see on this one, my letter I here, somehow the dot moved. So I'm just going to use my razor blade and move it to the correct spot. And then it's all set. And that's how you put the decals on. Please don't forget to like my page, YouTube, Raw Customs. Also check out Bernie Makes Decals on Facebook. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.